Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Where you can get one at low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Getting closer, we got Santa Claus coming. You might want to add this to your wish list. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't hit you. There we go. We got it. Got that cut. Got that cut right there. Alrighty. What do we have here? This is coming from Huana. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, it's pretty heavy. You gotta be careful with it. Oh. Alrighty. Oh, man. Come on out. There we go. Yes. What is this thing? Here we go. Get that out of there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, what do we got here? Huanuoav desk mount gas spring LCD monitor or desk mount. Load. Oh, it's one of those where you have your two screens, two monitors side by side, or pretty cool stuff. We're gonna open it up and then put the monitors onto it. Show you how it's set up, nice and easy. This is something cool. Everyone's getting into this now with gaming. Pretty much everything with social media. A lot of people are buying these, so definitely get them at a low cost from these guys. And all you gotta do is click the link, check it out, and see what other kinds they have too. I do believe they have different types. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're getting it done. Oh boy, a lot of cool stuff. Oh boy. Manual went down. Shoot. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Hold on. Grab the manual. Oh boy. Yep, definitely a lot of screws. We sending this up. So this should be a fun project. But also, if you don't have any help, you can always try the Amazon Home Services. We got some Allen wrenches, some bolts. You can always do it that way too. I'll leave the link down below also for the Amazon Home Service. So, you know, in case you buy it for somebody, set it up, they could do all that. But unless you know how to, and there's a nice little gift. Got one of the brackets. Nice color, white, black. This is where the monitor goes. Put it in the back. I think it's up to, let me double check. I think it's like up to 27 inches. I do believe. Let me find 1 second. Thank you for purchasing. 360. 180 degrees swivel. The tilt is 90 degrees by plus 85 degrees. Rotate 360. VESA 75 by 75, 100 by 100. I do believe it's up to like 27 inches. And then they always got customer support. You can always contact them too. But I'll show you guys how to install it and everything. Should be fun. Yeah, it's up 13 inches to 27 inch monitors you can use. So, all right. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Definitely gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna have it set up on this table once I get my monitors installed. I'm not sure about upstairs. My desk might not be able to handle it, but I know this desk right here will handle this setup. So We got another. Oh, this is a heavy one. That must be where you connect the two monitors right there. And then we got the other monitor mount right here. So definitely excited. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab my monitors, and we're gonna have some fun and put this stuff together. Alrighty, see you in a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, now we're gonna do the install on the Huanuoav desk mounts. We got it all unboxed, laid out, and ready to roll. So we're gonna take one of these. Probably gonna do these first, and then I'm gonna find a spot for this. So hold on one sec. Alrighty, here we go. We got this part. See these 4 screws? You're gonna have to put them in like this, line it up, and unscrew those and put it through. And put you guys down. A lot easier to see what I'm doing. All it does is little lefty go. Sure I don't lose these screws, but we got backup screws in case we do. Go. These 2 back here. I'll be ready to rock and roll. Should be easy to set up these dual mounts. Really cool. Never had one. Oh, it was really interested in getting some. So definitely now really have to show you guys what they have to offer. It's really cool, especially with the gaming and all this social media thing going on. Definitely gonna need a setup like that with the 2 monitors. There we go. Final countdown. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. Goes this way. Lock it in. Make sure you lock it in. Oops. Oh man. And my head's spinning. Oh, hold on, I gotta pause. Shoot. Sorry about that, YouTube. That was kind of weird. My head was spinning. I don't know what that was. That was that fun. Here we go. Gotta get it in. So definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides these monitors. There we go. Make sure you have it nice and tight too. You don't want these things slipping. It's got one more hole to go. One more to go. There we go. Got the full tilt. Oh, that's really cool. And last one, guys. Then I'll do the second one. I'll put you guys on pause and grab the other monitor. Oh yeah, look at that. It's holding pretty good. So hold on one second, let me grab the other one. Alright, we got the same thing going here. Let's get these screws going. Got the second monitor going in right now. go. Come on. There we go. All right. And now we take this right there. Screw in here. There. And there. Oops. It's alright for now, because all you gotta do is this. Just this. Boom. That is cool. Like I said, this is my first time setting these up, so pretty cool. Easy to set up. If I could do it, you guys could do it. So definitely get it now at a low cost. Add it to your wish list. You never know when Santa Claus will be coming. Play some Fortnite on these, Call of Duty. Be great for all your podcast people out there. Be another good reason to get these duels. Especially the gaming. Never thought gaming would be this big. Never thought. All these years. That should be good. That should be good. Last one right here. Almost there. See, does it pass the test? Oh yeah. We got that perfectly. You guys can take a look. A little closer. See? Didn't really need these, but these to adjust everything. I probably need probably a clamp and probably these. Definitely gonna need. And Allen wrench. That'll be for adjusting the bars and all that good stuff. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, that was a lot easier than I thought. Here it is. Got them nicely finished. I just gotta do some minor adjustments to it, where I'm gonna set it up, because right now I gotta do some major moving around stuff. So here's the back. I'll show you guys. Look how easy. Sorry about the light. But yeah, through there, and that middle piece is gotta pop it in. So I'm gonna have to adjust this a little bit and that, but it's pretty much really simple to do. Took me less than a minute. It's holding its place, and these are only 19-inch monitors. So definitely, oh man, the lighting's off. Too much glare. Hold on one sec. Alright, hopefully that helped a little bit. Not sure if it did. You can see it right there. Got the two 19-inch monitors. I gotta find a power cord, so that's why they're not on right now, but this is what it looks like. Watch this. Boom. So you can have it sideways, which is really cool. In case you're drawing stuff, playing some games. You can always move it so you can tilt. Tilt it all the way that way. Spread it. Have it like that. That's so cool. And like I say, you can have it. I don't recommend doing it one-handed, but kind of hard to do a video. Hold on. There we go. So you can have it like that too. Have like a tower. Always combine them together like that. So you can read a book like doing that way. You could do Amazon Audible. You can read the Kindles. So that's really cool. And like I said, 19-inch monitors right there. Holds up to 27-inch. And like really easy to install. So thank you guys for sending me this to show you the YouTubers what you guys have to offer. And all you gotta do, YouTube, click on the link down below, check them out. Here's the bottom. Really cool. Here's the side. You could fold it back like so, all the way back, and keep it like that. But there you go. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.